Welcome back. So most of Friday was spent moving a bunch of stuff, or the remaining stuff, into storage. But apart from that, Jeff managed to get these, or Jeff and Devon managed to get the foreplane prepped up there for priming, and same finishing off the underneath there of the wings. And then they actually came in on Saturday and sprayed some primer on both of those, just to get a little bit of a jump ahead before finishing our move up to the airport. So this is what things look like there on Monday morning. So that's, you can see the upper surface has been primed and also had some extra fill put on, and some guide coat on there. So the wings are just in the position now. They just need final sanding and just a little bit more primer on them, and then they'll be done. So as you can see, the shop is emptying out, so more things came out of there on the weekend as well. And just feel like I've been in a mode of moving stuff for the last week. But yeah, the shop's looking empty, and I actually spent probably 5 hours today just backbreaking, scraping all the resin and stuff off the floor before we finally moved out of there. And so we borrowed Britt's trailer and got the wings moved up there this afternoon, and the foreplane as well, and the last of all things. And this is what things look like now in the hangar. So sorry for this super short video, but I'm sure no one wanted to see 5 hours of me scraping the floor and the rest of the time the guys just cleaning up the shop and vacuuming and blowing dust out of there, and then getting all this stuff moved. But as you can see, we're in the hangar in the little corner there. We've got everything that we need in there right now, and as we finish putting stuff together, we'll be able to clear some of this stuff out of there as well, make a little bit more space. Got a new little toolbox there with just the tools we need, and you can see the doors are sitting there and all the flight surfaces and the fuselage that you saw us move up there last time. And yeah, we're sharing this hangar. I think it's about 6,000 square feet, sharing it with a bunch of other people. And although mostly everybody else there is just storing their aircraft, no one else is working on one, so we kind of have that to ourselves. And we have a little back door out there. I'll give you a sort of view out there in a second so you can see. But yeah, it's going to work out fine for us. Not bad at all, really. So out here you've got a nice breeze and a little outdoor area where we can work, where we can do sanding and some priming outside and stuff, and a view of the runway over there. So this is looking kind of off to the northeast there. So anyway, yeah, next video there'll be some more interesting stuff going on, but I need a day to take a break. I'm exhausted. Anyway, that's our very, very short video for the first half of this week, and thanks again for watching, and tune in again on a Saturday and see what we get up to now that we're in the new digs. Alright, thanks for watching.